Hello friends, welcome to Nabla Mahami Online Maths. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply any number by 11 within 3 seconds. That is the multiplication tricks of 11. On the board, I have some examples to illustrate that. The first examples, we have a single digit number multiplying by 11. And then look at the trick. Anytime that you have to multiply a single digit number by 11. To multiply a single digit number by 11, forget about the 11 and write the single digit number twice. What you get is the final answer. For example, 11 times 3. 11 times 3 means you write 3 and write another 3. That will give you 33. 11 times 7, I'll write 7 and repeat 7, meaning 11 times 7 is 77. 11 times 9, I'll write 9 and repeat 9, and that will be 99. This is very simple. Let's now look at when you are multiplying a two-digit number by 11. Anytime that you are to multiply any two-digit number by 11, we have two steps. The first step is that forget about 11 and take the two-digit number and separate the digits and leave one space between them. That means that if I have 53 times 11, what I'll do is that I'll take 53 and separate the digits, and that one I'll get 5, 3, and leave one space between them. The next step is that add the digits together. What you get, you put it in the space between the digits. So here I'll take 5 plus 3, and 5 plus 3 is 8. Then I'll write 8 there. Meaning 11 times 53 is 583. This is very, very simple. Second example, I have 11 times 72. What I will do is that I will take 7 and 2, write them this way, and separate them. The next step is that I'll add 7 and 2 together. 7 plus 2 is 9. Then I'll write 9 in between. Meaning 11 times 72 is 792. Let's go to the third example. Here I have 11 times 48. And 11 times 48, what I will do is that I'll write 4, leave one space, and write 8. So now, 4 plus 8 is 12. You see that this particular example is a little bit different from example 1 and example 2. There is a difference between example 1 and example 2. So if I add 4 and 8 together and I'm getting 12, it will be wrong for me to write the whole 12 here. It will be wrong. So what I'll do is that I have to write the unit digit of 12, which is 2. I have to write the unit digit of 12, which is 2, in the space, and keep the 1. So I'll write 2 here, and then add the 1 to 4, and that will give me 5. Meaning 11 times 48 is 528. Example 4, 11 times 64. I'll write my 6 here, write 4 here, and leave a space between them. 6 plus 4 is 10, but it will be wrong for me to write 10 there. What I'll do is that I'll write the unit digit of 10, which is 0. Then I'll write 0 here, and then add the 1 to 6, and it will change to 7. Meaning 11 times 64 is 704. So this is how you multiply any two-digit number by 11 without using a calculator, and this will happen within 3 seconds. Now, let's go to multiply any three-digit number by 11. To multiply any three-digit number by 11, the procedure is still the same. What you do is that you take the first and last digit of the three-digit number and separate them. So I'll write 4, 7. But this time around, I have to put 2 spaces between them. Take note, if the digits are 2, you leave only one space. If the digits are 3, you leave 2 spaces. Then the next step is that I will come back to the 3-digit number add the first digit to the middle digit, or add the first digit to the second digit, and put it in the first space. So 4 plus 2, I'll get what? 6. Then I'll now take the middle digit and add to the last digit. That will give me 2 plus 7, which is what? 9. So this simply means that 11 times 427 is 4,697. Example 2. I have 523 multiplied by 11. What I'll do is that I'll take 5 and write 3, leaving 2 spaces. So the next step is I'll take 5 out of 2. That will give me 7. 5 plus 2 is 7. Then I'll take the middle out of the last digit. That is 2 plus 3, and that will give me 5. Meaning 11 times 523 is 5,753. Now, example 3. I have 269 multiplied by 11. What I'll do that, I'll write my 2 here, write my 9 here, and leave 2 spaces. So this time around, I'll take 2 plus 6, that will be 8. Then 6 plus 9 will give me 15. But it will be wrong for me to write all the 15 here. What I'll do is that I'll write the unit digit of 15, which is 5, and keep the 1. Then I'll now add the 1 to the left digit. That is the digit before the 5. So if I add 1 to 8, it will change to 9, meaning 11 times 269 is 2,959. If I take 258 multiplied by 11, what I'll do that I'll just write my 3, write 8, and leave 2 spaces. Now, 3 plus 5 is 8. Then 5 plus 3 is 13, but I can't write all the 13. What I'll do that I'll write the unit digit of 13, and then add the 1 to 8, and it will change to 9. Meaning 11 times 258 is 3,938. This is a trick of multiplying 11 by any number. Now, you can pick any value that you want and try to see whether you get the same answer by following this particular procedure. But before that, let's look at something here. I want you to see a particular pattern. For example, if I have 11 times this number, if I have 11 times 5,423, you see that when it was 2 digits, we left only 1 space. When it was 3 digits, we left 2 spaces. The digits that we have here, they are 4 digits, so it means that we are going to leave 3 spaces between the first and the last digit. Meaning, I'll write 5 and write what? 3. And then put 3 spaces. So, the first space value will be adding 5 to 4. That is 5 plus 4, 9. 4 plus 2, 6. 2 plus 3, which is what? 5. Meaning, 11 times 5,423 will give us 59,653. So this simply means that if you have 5 digits multiplied by 11, what you do is that you take the first and the last digit and separate them and leave 4 spaces. If there are 6 digits, then you are leaving 5 spaces between the first and the last digit. If there are 7 digits, you leave 6 spaces between the first and the last digit in that order. But also remember, when you add the digits and you have to put in the space, and the digit is more, the result is more than 9, that is 10 and above, put the unit digit of that particular result and then add 1 to the left side value. That is what we do when you add and the result is more than 9, or when it is the result is 2 digits. Thank you for watching this video. If this is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Nabla Online Maths, so that you will be notified anytime a new video is being uploaded. Also share my Facebook page for others to watch. Thank you once again.